My name is Kenny. Welcome to another exciting moment at Anston Rock Crochet.
Ombre blanket is the process where you transition from one color to another color with the ombre in between. Gather your crochet materials. You will need your hook, scissors. For the yarn, I'm using the Aran yarn. It's quite a big yarn ball, so I center pull for one yarn tail, one yarn strand, and take the other strand from the outside, so you have two strands. If you have small yarn balls, just make two of the same colors, put them together. You need two strands for this ombre effect blanket. Make a slip knot with your first color, making sure that you're using two strands. We're using our crochet hook, 9.0 millimeter crochet hook, and chain the first part of your blanket. Let's chain 50 chain stitches together. Yarn over and pull through the loop. That is how to make your chain stitches. Carry on. I have 50 chain stitches. We'll be attaching our second color, the teal color. Drop one of your first color, which is the gray color. So you'll be working with your first color, one of it, and one of your second color. Make sure you put both colors on the loop together. That means you will have one teal and one gray color. Make 20 chain stitches of your color A and color B. After drop your color A, which is the gray color, pick up the second color B, which is the teal color. You will have on the loop two teal color strands and make chain stitches for 50. A total of 120 chain stitches will be the length of the blanket. And carry on making your chain stitches. Do not worry about the yarn that you've left. We're coming back round and we'll be able to use it for the next row. Okay, this is how your chain stitches will be looking like. You will start with one color going all the way for 50 chain stitches, and in the middle you will have 20 chain stitches of your ombre color, and the other color on the other side 50 chain stitches. So pretty easy to go now. Make sure you have your turning chain stitch, and then we're going to be making double crochets. This is pretty easy for any advanced crochet beginner to make. All you just need to do is drop and pick a color as you go along, and that is it. So once you master that, then you'll find this pattern so easy. So now we've made 50 double crochets with our teal colors, two strands of teal colors. So you drop your one of your teal color, you drop it and pick up the other color you left whilst you were going, which is in my case the gray color. So we have one gray and one teal strands of yarn, and then we will make our double crochets for 20 rows in the middle. One tip for this blanket: be a little bit cautious of your strands, because you're having yarn strands all over the place. But once you turn your blanket at the end of each row, make sure that you flip your yarns as well, your yarn balls as well, and you'll be good to go. It's almost as if like you're making a tapestry, a crochet tapestry you're patchwork or things like that. Carry on for the middle. Yeah, carry on. Well done. So we have finished the middle part where we have the two colored strands together. Now we'll be making the third part of the length of the blanket. I have on my hook two strands of gray yarn color, and then we'll make double crochets down the length for 50 double crochets. By the way, if you don't know, I love the teal color. It was my mom's favorite color. May her soul rest in perfect peace. This is all you have to do. You turn your work and then you use your one color with two strands to make 50 double crochets. In the middle, you make 20 double crochets using one of each color together. That means you have color A and color B, and the latter part of it you make your two strands together with the other color, and that is it. You grow and grow your work. Hope you enjoy this tutorial. It's always a pleasure to make crochet projects for you. Thank you so much for your love over the years. Thank you for tuning into Hands That Rock Crochet. We are so grateful to have you on board. And remember, stay blessed and God bless you in all your endeavors. So till we see you once again on Hands That Rock Crochet, we say, be blessed. We love you, but God loves you the most. Carry on growing and growing and growing your blanket. When you get to each section, you swap your yarn strands and pick up the corresponding color. Once the blanket reaches the desired length, snip off the strands and weave in the ends. And enjoy. We're glad you enjoyed that wonderful crochet tutorial from Hands That Rock Crochet. Kenny would like you to check out below. There are two boxes there for you. So click either one and feel free to have some more fun on Hands That Rock Crochet. And if you haven't subscribed yet, we're reminding you there's a button in the middle. Just press the subscribe button. Thank you.